Where is he? I've looked for you so many times. You won't see me. Why did you take the initiative to see me this time?
Do you have clues about my wife and children?
You remember now that you have a wife and children. When you were in charge of Jiangyu, have you ever thought about them?
I can't do anything either. If I don't do, they won't let me go. Including my wife and children. And those workers.
The Jiang family let them go. 5 years ago, I sent Lin Na to Peicheng. Later lost.
Peicheng.
，I know your concerns. I'm waiting for you.
Sir, my phone was taken away by Chuan Hongli.
Mobilize the whole city. Must find Chuan Li.
Kill without mercy!